Второй класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, Домашнее задание, Наш мир, часть вторая, страница 42, 43, 44, 45. English, Starlight 2. Our world. Homework. Page number 42, 43, 44, 45. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 42. 42. Word lab. Exercise number 1. Look at the pictures, find and write the words. Посмотрите картинки, найдите и запишите слова в тетрадь. The answer. Sweets, jam, lollipops, cake, chocolate, juice. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Look at the pictures, find and circle the words. Посмотрите картинки и найдите слова. The answer. Potatoes, peas, tomatoes, pears, oranges, carrots. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 43. 43. Exercise number 3. What do I love? Break the code and find out. Что я люблю? Разгадайте код и узнайте. The answer. Lollipops, lion. Orange, leg. Lamp, ice cream. Peas, 1. Potato, sweets. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Read and match the sentences to the pictures. Прочтите и сопоставьте предложения с картинками. I don't like chocolate. I like jam. I like cake. I like lollipops. I don't like cake. I don't like sweets. I like carrots. I like chocolate. I don't like potatoes. I like jam. I like carrots. I don't like cake. I don't like peas. I like lollipops. I don't like jam. I like tomatoes. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 44. 44. Our world. Exercise number 1. Look at the pictures, then play the ice cream van game. Посмотри на картинки, затем сыграйте в игру «Фургон с мороженым». A banana ice cream, please. Here you are. Thank you. The answer. A chocolate ice cream, please. Here you are. Thank you. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 45. 45. Exercise number 2. Read Masha's text and answer the questions. Прочтите текст Маши и ответьте на вопросы. What's Masha's favorite ice cream? Where does Masha go with her family and friends? This is me. This ice cream is so yummy. I love ice cream. I eat ice cream when it's hot. I eat ice cream when it's cold, too. I like chocolate ice cream, vanilla ice cream, and strawberry ice cream. I go to ice cream cafes with my friends and my family. It's great. This is the best ice cream in Russia. Try it. This is a kiosk. You can buy ice cream here. The answer. Masha likes chocolate ice cream, vanilla ice cream, and strawberry ice cream. Masha goes to ice cream cafes with her family and friends. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Answer the questions about yourself. Then write about your favorite ice cream. Ответь на вопросы о себе. Затем напиши о своем любимом мороженом. Do you like ice cream? Do you eat ice cream only when it's hot? What's your favorite ice cream? The answer. Yes, I do. I love ice cream. No, I don't. I eat ice cream when it's hot. I eat ice cream when it's cold, too. My favorite ice cream is lemon ice cream and banana ice cream. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.